Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all are fine. You know that we are on chapter number 4, porthole, and today we are going to do its exercise from workbook. This is page number 19 and its A part is round and about. Prepositions. So first of all, I will let you know that what's the definition of prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another part of the sentence. Preposition often indicate the position of something with respect to something else. They can also indicate the movement of a thing or person with respect to another. Prepositions can be used to indicate time when something happens. So students, there are different prepositions we can use in our sentences. The first one statement is, use these prepositions in oral sentences of your own. Students, some prepositions are given here: over, with, round, into, behind, for, above, at, across, along, through, by, top of, near, out of, and bottom of. So students, you have to make the sentences using these prepositions. The first one is over. So we will make a sentence. Look at the picture here. A boy is jumping over the fence. So you will make the sentence that the boy jumped over the fence. The second one preposition is with. The baby is sitting with her mother. So with is showing the position of the baby, that baby is sitting with her mother. Round. So look this picture, that there are mountains round the sea. You can make your own sentences, students. The next one word is into. So look at this picture, that a girl has her hand into the jar. So you can make a sentence that the girl has her hand into jar. The next one word is behind. So you can make the sentence, there is a tree behind the house. The next one word is for. I have bought a gift for my brother. You can use these prepositions because it's a very important part of speech. Because we cannot get the position of something, we cannot get the relation of different nouns or pronouns with each other without the help of prepositions. Now look at the next one word, it is above. So we can make the sentence that the kite was flying above the tree. The next one word is at. At, she pointed her finger at the girl. At mean the position of the girl, that towards the girl. Across. So you can make the sentence that we took a look of a ferry across the river. Or you can say that we took a look of boat across the river. Next sentence is along. Next preposition is along. The car along the road got punctured. Actually, this car is not punctured, but you can make the sentence like this. The next one word is through. Students, look at this picture. You can make the sentence by looking at this. The tiger was walking through the trees. by. Now you can make a sentence that the man passed by you. The man passed by you is not good. Now look at the next one preposition, that is top of. Now you can look here in this picture that the cat is sitting on the top of boxes. So you can make the sentence like this: near. Students, you can make different sentences like a boy is standing near a car. Out of. Now again, by looking at this picture, we can make a sentence that a boy is running out of the car. Now the next last one preposition is bottom of. We finally arrived at the bottom of swimming pool. So like this, you can use these prepositions in different sentences, and I think so this is quite clear to you. Now move towards the next one page. This is page number 20, and second question is write sentences about the pictures given on page 19 using 6 words given in the box on the previous page. Now look at these pictures. Student, here A, B, C, D, E and F. 6 pictures are given, and you have to use different prepositions according to these pictures from this box and make sentences of your own. Now look at the first one picture that you are looking here: a boat, mountains, trees and water. So you can make the sentence using a preposition. The boat is sailing across the river. Now look at B part and look at this picture that a boy is coming out of the car. So you can make the sentence of this picture: the man got out of the car. Now look at the C part that a tiger is just passing through the trees. So you can make a sentence: the tiger is walking through the trees. Now look at the D picture that the boy jumped over the fence. So you can make the sentence of this picture: the boy jumped over the fence. Over is here preposition. Now look here, this is E part. A girl has her hand into the jar. So you will make the sentence by using the preposition into. The girl has her hand into the jar. Now look at the F1 part. You can see that a cat is sitting or sleeping over the boxes, on the top of the boxes here. So you can make a sentence. Of this picture: the cat is sitting on top of the blocks. Now look at the third one part. Write sentences in your notebook using the other prepositions. Students, you have used different prepositions here that are across, out of, through, over, into and top of. And you have to use other prepositions rather than these. Here students, I have marked that preposition which you have used earlier. So the remaining one you have to use these We have done oral practice here in the sentences. You can make your own sentences by using these prepositions. You have to do this homework on your notebook. Now students, look at B part, words into words. The first one statement is: change one word into another by changing only one letter at a time. Note, each new line must have a real word. Example, turn boy into man. Now look here students, that you have to turn the word boy into man, and you have to use different steps, and it is a rule that you just have to change the one letter only, and the next one word which becomes the new word should be a meaningful word. So look here, boy, boy, you just have to change one letter. So if you change A instead of O, that will become BAY. Bay is also a meaningful word. So now you will change another letter. We will change B into M, and that will become MAY, may. And then the last one letter you have to change Y into N, and that will become MAN, man. So students, in this way you have to complete this puzzle. The first one word is cat, 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 and you have to change cat into big. Let's follow the step that CAT, cat, you have to change only one letter. So we will change C into B, BAT, bat. Bat is a meaningful word. Now we have changed B, so we will write it out in the same way. Now we will change the second one letter, A into I, BIT, bit. So bit is also a meaningful word. Now we will change the last one letter and we will write G in place of T. That will become BIG, big. Now look at the next one puzzle. We have to change bun into mad, BUN, bun. So look here student, that first of all we will change the last one word, BUD, bud. Now we will change B into M, that MUD, mud. Mud is also a meaningful word. And at the end we will change the central letter and we will change U into A. That will become MAD, mad. Now look at the third one part. This is DOG, dog, and you have to change the dog into cat. Look at D, and the first one letter is C. If we change D with C, that will become COG, cog. Cog is the meaningful word. So now we will change the last one letter, COT, cot. That will become cot. Cot is also a meaningful word. Now at the end we will change A in place of O. So the word will become cat, CAT, cat. Now students, look here. Here is a word GATE, gate. This is 4-letter words. So you have to change this in 4 steps. And you have to change it into LUMP, lump. So look here, if we change the first one letter and that will become LATE, late. So late is also a meaningful word. So we will write down LATE. Now look at the next one step, that if we change U here, L-U-T-E, that will become lute. Lute is not an appropriate word. So we will change the third one letter, that is M. L-A-M-E, lame. Lame is a meaningful word. Now students, we will change the last one letter, that is P. L-A-M-P, that will become lamp. Lamp is also a meaningful word. So at the end we will change the second letter and we will use U in place of A. L-U-M-P, that will become lump. Now students, look at the next one part. This is tin, T-I-N, and you have to change this tin into peg. First of all students, we will change the first one letter, and that is P. So we will write down P in place of T. P-I-N, pin. Now look at this. If we change the central letter into E, that will become P-E-N, pen. So we can't do third one step. That is why we are going to change I into A, that will become P-A-N, pan. Now we are going to change the central letter A into E, P-E-N, pen. So at the end we will change the last one letter, that is N, and we will write G in place of N, that will become P-E-G, peg. S-E-N-D, send, and you have to change it into B-A-L-L, ball. So student, if we change the first one letter, that is B, so we will write B in place of S, and that will become B-E-N-D, bend. Bend is also a meaningful word. Now look at the end, that we needed A at the second place. So if we change A, the word will become B-A-N-D, band. Band is also a meaningful word. Then we will change the third one letter, B-A-L-D, bald. And at the end the D will turn into L, and the word we will get B-A-L-L, ball. I think so this puzzle is quite clear to you. Now we will move towards the second statement. Make some more puzzles like this. Ask your friends to solve them. Student, it's an activity. You have to do it at your home. You have to make different puzzles, and you will ask just to your friends to solve that puzzles. This is a creative activity and you will do it with great interest. I think so this whole exercise is quite clear to you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.